Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to generate QR code in Excel. So if you want to generate QR code in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have taken three names: Subham, Excel expert, and one link is youtube.com. Okay, so first I will create QR code for this name, then this name, then this link. Okay, so how to do it? Here you have to just click on the cell where you want to insert the QR code. Then in home tab, here you will see add in option. Just click on it and search for QR for office. Now you will see this option, QR for office. Here you will see add option. Just click on add. Then here you will see option STPP. You have to click on it and click on custom. Okay, as this is a text, you have to just click on text custom. Here you have to type. Okay, then you will see image is been generating, and now you will see QR code has been generated. You can change the size, also you can change the color. Okay, but I don't want to change the color. You can change the background, but I don't want to change the background. Okay, make it white, and then you can insert it. Okay, so to insert it, you have to click on the preview and click on copy image. Now you have to just paste here. Okay, now resize it. So now again you have to do same thing. Here you have to type just Excel expert. Okay, now you have to just again copy this image, paste it here, resize it. Now for the link, what you have to do, you have to just go to https. Here you have to type www.youtube.com. Okay, then you have to copy it from here and paste it here. So like this you can generate QR code in Excel. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.